You attach me to the circuit, and then I'm going to start passing on the electrons. And we're going from negative to positive. Put your hands out like this. You're going to continue the flow of the electric current through the conductor, through the wires, which are you. And you're going from negative to positive.
Hi, we're fourth graders from STM, and we're doing a string project. Today we're going to be imitating weather and using our circuit that has our battery source and our wires. Electrons will flow through from the negative to the positive. So basically, we'll go to the load, which is the lights, lighting them up, going around back to the positive. And we're going to show you how it works. Today we're going to be imitating the sun and its rain. It's a nice and sunny day, but then it's starting to rain. And now, since the water is going down, it's going to go through the grate and back up to the pipe to use again.